Hello, and welcome back. And if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make French fried chicken. Let me tell you, this recipe gives you finger licking, scrumptious, juicy, crunchy fried chicken, and you have to try this recipe. So please do me a favor, like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get right to it. So let's work on our brine solution. We need garlic powder, we need salt and sugar. We're going to mix that and add that to 1 liter of water. And of course, I'm going to leave the measurements in the description box for you. So once you've done that, you're also going to be adding some bay leaves to this mixture. And this is just going to enhance the flavor profile for your chicken. And for this recipe, we're using leg quarters, and these are already clean and cut up, ready to go. Okay. So next, you're going to place the chicken pieces into that brine mixture. You're going to cover and leave that overnight. So once you're ready to fry, you're going to remove that. And it's very important that you let this come to room temperature prior to frying. Okay, very important tip. So moving on to our breading, we need flour, you need cornstarch, and you need salt. And we're going to make sure that we season this. Okay, so we need paprika, we need chili powder. You're gonna need some black pepper, garlic powder. We're gonna need some baking powder, cayenne pepper. Yes, cayenne pepper. You're gonna need a little bit of white pepper as well, and some sage. And of course, again, the measurements will be in the description box for you. So give that a good mix. And I want you to save, you need to save a half cup of this mixture for later. We're going to use that for our wet batter. Okay. So we're going to save half of that. So we're moving on to our wet batter. You're going to need half of the mixture. As I said before, you're going to need a half cup of water. You need some vinegar, and you're going to give that a good mix. So this is the method. We're going to do breading, then batter, then breading, then fry. Okay? So just follow that same step and you will get the layers of crunch that you are looking for. So again, it's flour, batter, and then we're going to go back to the flour mixture once your chicken is properly coated, and that's how you're going to get the layers and crunch. And I want you guys to comment below and tell me, what are you going to pair this fried chicken recipe with as your side dish? Like, what do you love with that? So in the meantime, your deep fryer, I'm using a deep fryer, it should be preheated and ready to go. I'm doing 3 pieces at a time because you don't want it to be overcrowded. For reference, the deep fryer was set at 175 degrees Celsius, which is about 350 Fahrenheit, and the timer was also set for 18 minutes. Then once all my pieces were ready, I just let them cool on a wire rack, and your fried chicken is ready to go. And this recipe, I'm telling you, you have to try it. It's crispy, juicy, flavorful. Comment below and tell me what you're gonna pair this fried chicken recipe with once you try it, okay? And remember to please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.